How to create your Coinomi wallet in just 3 steps. Step 1. Select Create a new wallet. Step 2. Choose how to protect your wallet. You can choose from a super secure combination of password and biometric, down to the super convenient single button press. We recommend that you start with this one. You can always change it later. All private wallet data is still kept encrypted at all times, but with this option, wallet security is handled by your operating system. Step 3. Select the coins you want to start using right away. You can always add more later. This list only shows the main coin of each blockchain. You can add tokens from a different menu later. Press the blue button to continue, and after agreeing with the terms, your chosen wallets will already be created and waiting for you to try them out. Before receiving any funds, it's extremely important to back up and better secure your wallets. This is covered by a different video. For now, just relax and enjoy Coinomi, the oldest multi-coin wallet trusted by millions.